and gentlemen, we as the opposition team really disagree with this motion. We say this has regret mergers and acquisition within tech industry like e.g. Tokopedia with Gojek, Facebook with Instagram, and Google with YouTube. Before moving to justification, I will give you some rebuttal. First, the proposition team say is it a limited consumers' ability to exercise privacy, ladies and gentlemen. But they are not talking about what privacy they want to talk. They are not talking about what kind of the privacy that they want to give us. They say that privacy that they want to tell us when you are looking something in Tokopedia and then there is another advertisement about what you're looking for in the YouTube maybe. But in fact, it's not a privacy because it's more help you, the more easier to get about something that you want to looking for in Tokopedia, ladies and gentlemen, right? Like when you are looking for something and then mostly is it access because what are you looking about in YouTube or something, it is based to your advertisement, ladies and gentlemen. So it's not access because the mergers and acquisition in the end of the day. Even if it is makes you give you a lot of privacy that you are that expose your privacy, in the end of the day there is something like a policy department or so on. There's a rules that give it to you to solve this problem. Second rebuttal about it is not a problem when the user the second rebuttal is when the user are confused about the term and policy. We think it's not a problem when the user can confuse about the term and policy because it exists in the SOSMED because we know that the term and policy are used to make the society more understand about the new innovation in the technology. But we know in our status quo, our society doesn't want to reading a lot, doesn't want to literature, that makes they are confused. And when we give this term and policies, make them more understand, more literature to reach to looking for the information, ladies and gentlemen. So even if they are confused about the term and policy, there is a feature about FAQ or frequently asked question that they can to ask something that doesn't understand in the end of the day. Third rebuttal is when the proposition team say that it is force the users when the consent of the term and policy. But the essential to force are when you are not happy, you doesn't like, or you doesn't like the things in the technology, ladies and gentlemen. But in fact, you download it because you like it, you need it, and you like to do or like to using the technology, ladies and gentlemen. So in the end of the day, it's not force you as the user in this technology. Fourth of the rebuttal is when they say when that make an accusation in the end of the day makes an imbalance in the tech industry because the industry can be dominant and control the other industry. We think is it better if went better than make the minority industry like WhatsApp maybe can go broke in the end of the day because they can be improved, they can make a new innovation, ladies and gentlemen. When the more dominant industry makes an acquisition or match with them, in the end of the day, this small tech industry can developing and can improve, can make a new innovation in the end of the day, and they doesn't be go break, ladies and gentlemen. Is it better than make them just stuck in there and doesn't want to help anything? That's why we think there is no dominant, there is no control other people, other industry, but it makes the other industry more developing and more can solve or remove the weakness of that industry. That's why we really doesn't agree with this motion when they say want to regulate the merge and acquisition. Three layers of justification. First, why merge is important. Second, what the effectiveness of the effective and much benefit when we do a merge and acquisition. Third, why is it bad in the proposition tips. First, about what merge is important, ladies and gentlemen. We know the characteristic of the tech industry. They are looking for something like much profit, benefit, and also make a new innovation, creation, and growth, ladies and gentlemen. And then the merge and acquisition can be accessed because they want to make some more big profit. It can be accessed because they need much profit and make the small tech industry can be innovation too and make a new innovation and help them in the end of the day. And then what happened in our society in the status quo? In this status quo, our society are looking for something that easy. They are looking for technology that makes them more easier to do anything. They are looking for technology that makes them more easier to reach what they want in the status quo, ladies and gentlemen. For example, when you're looking for clothes, and then you need to the clothes are go to your home and so on. So we need Gojek, and then with Gojek, that's can easier to bring your clothes that you want in the Tokopedia to your home. Is it more easier for you? Then you must just use use Tokopedia without Gojek, ladies and gentlemen. You must send your host. Maybe you must looking for what kind of Gojek that you want to do, like GNT or so on, and then it makes you more confused and more doesn't want to use that application, and you doesn't want to you cannot do more easier to use technology, ladies and gentlemen. We know with this merge we can remove the weakness of the other industry. For example, like WhatsApp, maybe WhatsApp and Facebook. The firstly that makes a story is from the WhatsApp, and then when the WhatsApp and Facebook are make an acquisition and merge, the Facebook use this do the same thing, like they can make a story or a story in the Facebook, ladies and gentlemen. That's mean like and then another example is when the WhatsApp can get much downloader, like they can much more people want to download this application. That's why in the end of the day it will make a benefit in the industry, and then remove the weakness of the industry. The second justification, why is more effective when we want to merge, and then what is the benefit, ladies and gentlemen? It is effective because this makes the society more easier to do something, and then the benefit is came to use the society when the society can easier to do anything and reach anything, and then when the industry can get a much profit and then go break, ladies and gentlemen, and then the country will get a benefit because the industry must give tax to the country. That's why is it so give benefit for the industry, country, and for the society that needs something that easier. Another justification, why is it bad in the proposition team when they want to regret the acquisition and then regret the merge, ladies and gentlemen, because they must prove to us why in the end of the day when they regret it, the small tech industry will then be broke, ladies and gentlemen, because we know if the small tech industry go broke, maybe there is not another tech industry in the end of the day. That's why we're really proud as the opposition. Thank you.